Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically not lag on Dress to Impress. It is actually pretty simple. Okay, my VIP is still loading. You're going to click on this icon here. As you can see, it says click here and change your quality if it lags. You're going to select it here, and I have mine on high, but you're going to just select it on low. You can't really change it here on like settings, but you can change it on the app itself. The difference is you can't see a lot of textures. Like as you can see, this one looks the same, well, like similar I guess, except for this one you can see some gloss to it. But if you use the high quality one, you can see a major like difference. Well, I guess not much, but like it's noticeable. Oh, like on this default one, you can see there's more textures on it. But it's okay. It's still similar and you will lag less. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.